Number 1. Step back in time with this 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Corsa featuring a white exterior and a red interior paired with a manual transmission. This one has 10,000 miles on the odometer and was roused from a 30-year slumber in its previous owner's backyard. Getting it back on the road required flushing the fuel tank, cleaning the carburetors, and replacing a few seals. Now it starts right up and drives. This Corsa appears to have been set up for some spirited driving. It's equipped with upgraded front and rear sway bars. Under the hood, you'll find a set of 4 carburetors with custom linkage and air filters. For reliable stopping power, the master cylinder has been converted to a dual circuit setup. A new turn signal switch was also installed, and get this, even the clock works if you wind it. The car comes with its original Corsa wheels and hubcaps. This ride is located in Imperial, California and is offered for $4,000.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. Perfect for those who appreciate vintage automotive craftsmanship. Take a look at a 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, located in Kansas City, Missouri, and priced at $16,900. This car is highly original. It is all numbers matching, and its history is documented by its build sheet and factory sticker. Under the hood is its original 305 cubic inch small block engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a 2.56 rear differential. It has 88,000 original miles. The body was repainted in its factory color, antique white, while retaining all its original General Motors metal panels. The car is completely rust-free, showcasing excellent body and paint condition with crisp factory panel gaps all around. The interior, done in a striking flame red color with vinyl bench seats, is in near 10 out of 10 condition, with no rips, stains, or damage. All bezels, lenses, handles, and plastic components look excellent, and the gauges, lighting, and interior dome lights function correctly. The engine bay appears very tidy and is completely up to factory General Motors standards, and the undercarriage is solid and free of any corrosion. Features include power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, a power mirror, a tilt steering column, as well as the factory Delco AM radio. The car is equipped with a new set of white line radial tires mounted on freshly restored original FW rally wheels in argent silver. Number 3. Dive into automotive history with this 1970 Chevrolet Nova. This car, hailing from Plimpton, Massachusetts, is available for $25,000. You are looking at a red Nova with a clean black interior, showing 78,000 original miles on the odometer. Under the hood is a 350 cubic inch engine mated to an automatic transmission equipped with a shift kit. The rear end is a 3.73 Posei traction, and the entire drivetrain has been rebuilt. The body is rock solid, with no rust or rot. The Nova handles the road well on its nearly new tires, drives straight, and has a recently installed battery. The car sounds great thanks to the exhaust headers. This Chevrolet Nova drives and handles beautifully. While it is not a show car, it is a really solid car that offers a lot for the money, considering its condition and the work put into it. Number 4. Step into a piece of history with this 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe two-door. This car is located in Clovis, California, and is offered for $16,500. The price is negotiable. Under the hood of this Mustang is not the original 289, but now a 302 V8 engine. This is a genuine factory C-Code coupe, an original California car that spent most of its life in Nevada. It has 80,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The body is completely black, as is the interior. It features Kragar wheels, a 3-row aluminum radiator, an electric fuel pump, and power steering. A real plus is that the car has a very clean undercarriage with no signs of rust. There are a couple of things that a future owner should keep in mind. The paint could use some attention, and the front suspension needs work. The ball joints have play. By the way, the seller is willing to include new ball joints with the car if he can find them. The car comes with a clean title in hand and is ready to go. This is a great starting point for anyone looking for a classic Mustang. Number 5. Discover a piece of automotive history with this 1967 Chrysler Imperial. Located in Anderson, South Carolina, this is one of only 577 models produced in 1967, priced at $7,995. This particular example boasts an early production number and has 122,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood of this Chrysler Imperial, you'll find a K option 440 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission. The car comes equipped with power steering and power brakes, power seats, power windows, and a power convertible top, as well as a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. The body of the car appears solid, and it's currently stored in a garage. The vehicle is running and driving well and has current registration and insurance, confirming its status as a road-ready ride. However, it's worth noting that the top and interior show years of wear and tear, which leaves plenty of room for a future project. The seller is willing to negotiate on price or consider trades for projects such as a 58 Impala, a 55 DeSoto Sportsman, or a 53 Merc two-door hardtop. Number 6. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard in this 1975 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, now available in Bristol, Pennsylvania, for 18 Estall, Pennsylvania. For $18,500, you get a car with only 47,910 miles on it, ready to hit the road and deliver a thrilling ride. This drop top was built for folks who really love to drive. Under the hood of this Feta, you'll find a potent 8-cylinder, 350 cubic inch engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The white exterior goes hand in hand with a vibrant red interior, creating a classic look. Plus, the car recently got a brand new soft top installed, which set the owner back $2,000. This Veta is a terrific choice for regular drives. The manual transmission gives you direct and tactile control, letting you really feel the engine working, whether you're cruising slowly through town or hitting the open road. LRA Auto Museum and Sales, where this beauty is being showcased, specializes in classic muscle cars, which speaks volumes about the care given to vehicles like this one. Number 7. Check out this incredible opportunity to own this 1966 Ford Mustang located in Clarksville, Georgia, and available for $38,000. This car was built from the ground up with only 404 miles since completion. Every component is new, and the owner has receipts for all the work. Under the hood sits a 289 engine, now equipped with a Sniper fuel-injected carburetor for improved performance, paired with a rebuilt C4 automatic transmission. The driving experience is enhanced by tubular A-arms, coilover shocks all around, power rack and pinion steering, and four-wheel power disc brakes. This combination ensures precise handling and confident stopping. Inside, you'll find a new black interior complemented by a modern digital dash. For comfort, it boasts heat and air conditioning, plus a stereo system and new wiring throughout. The exterior sports a vibrant red finish with newly added stripes, mimicking a 350 clone, complete with GT fog lights. It features a bugle exhaust and new mufflers, rolling on new American wheels and tires. Even the car's underside looks as good as the outside, reflecting the thorough build quality, which also includes an aluminum radiator. Number 8. Imagine cruising the roads in a classic like this 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner, available in Kokomo, Indiana. This two-door Plymouth Roadrunner, rocking a 383 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, is going for $20,000. The odometer on this car reads a whopping 1 million miles. It's a numbers-matching car with a super solid body, painted F4 green, and features a bench seat interior. Originally, the car came with a flat hood, but it currently sports an air grabber hood. All the bits and pieces to make it work, the air cleaner, switches, and accessories, are all there. The car is a solid foundation for a full restoration, as it's going to need a top-to-bottom refresh. The floor pan has 2 holes, one behind the driver's seat and one up front on the passenger side. The car comes with a clean title. The owner says they're having to let the Roadrunner go due to having too many projects on their plate. No trades. This Plymouth is definitely a project for someone ready for a full-blown restoration. Number 9. Step back in time with this iconic 1965 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. You'll find this rare model in Santa Clarita, California, priced at $17,999. The car, with its blue exterior and classic black interior, has 74,100 miles on the odometer and consistently turns heads at car shows. Under the hood, you'll find a rebuilt 273 Commando engine, paired with a freshly rebuilt automatic transmission. It's equipped with new tires and brakes, as well as new glass throughout, ensuring great visibility. Inside, you'll be greeted by new carpeting and floor mats. For comfortable cruising, there's a kicker stereo sound system with Bluetooth and a 10-inch subwoofer, while all the original gauges are fully functional. This Barracuda Formula S is ready to hit the road and be enjoyed. Number 10. For a taste of vintage automotive passion, check out this 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible, available for $12,500 in Sherman Oaks, California. This blue-plated California car from Venice Beach, advertised as the last great American convertible, was literally a barn find. With only 58,109 original miles, it started right up with a new battery after years of sitting. Work included cleaning and painting the fuel tank, rebuilding its sending unit, and installing a new electronic fuel pump and hoses. The carburetor was rebuilt, a fuel regulator added, and the spark plugs, oil, filter, and a new starter motor replaced. Valve covers were cleaned, repainted, and got new gaskets. All lights, power antenna, radio, and front power seats work, and the red interior is complete. A few things need a little elbow grease. The convertible top motor gives it a whirl, but the mechanism needs a good once-over, and it needs a glass back window. There's a plastic one kicking around in the trunk. The 4 fender extensions need to be permanently attached. The plastic taillight bezels are missing, but replacements are on hand, and there are no hubcaps. The white body's got some dings and scratches. It might have been metallic red originally. She's offered as is, no warranty, with a non-operational permit, so it's just transfer fees, no smog certificate needed. This running and driving 1976 convertible offers a solid foundation at its $12,500 asking price. Number 11. Check out this 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova, located in San Clemente, California, and available for $35,000. This is an original first-year production model built in Oakland, California. The body is 100% rock solid with no signs of rust. Under the hood, you'll find a completely rebuilt 327 engine assembled using American-made parts. The automatic transmission has also been rebuilt, and the front suspension has been upgraded with CPP components. This isn't just talk. You can fire up the car, hear it run, and it's ready to hit the road. It comes with new rubber door seals and a bunch of other spare parts. The owner is willing to sell the car for a price close to the asking price. Important note, the deal needs to happen by April 15th because the building where the car is stored has been sold. No trades, please. This is a straight-up cash sale only. Number 12. Discover your next restoration project with this 1971 Pontiac Firebird Formula 455, available for $22,500 in Brentwood, California. This isn't just a shell, it's a project that already runs and drives, ready for some big wheels. The seller is open to trades for other classic cars, and the car comes with a clean title in his name, currently unregistered. Underneath the gray body lies a potent drivetrain. The car is equipped with an upgraded 455 engine featuring forged pistons, billet 4-bolt main caps, a solid roller camshaft, and Edelbrock heads. Power is channeled through a TH400 automatic transmission with a 3,200 revolutions per minute stall converter. The Firebird also features an upgraded Chris Alston rear clip, 4-wheel disc brakes, a Fab 9 rear end, and 373 gears. With just 500 miles on the upgrades, the heavy lifting on the mechanicals is already done. Essentially, this is a nearly turnkey project that you can fire up and roll onto a trailer as soon as you drop in a fresh battery. While the major work is complete, it will require some finishing touches on the taillight wiring and the interior to be completed to your taste. This is a solid foundation for anyone looking to finish a potent Formula 455 to their exact specifications. Number 13. Looking for a classic off-road adventure? How about a different kind of classic journey with this 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe located in Newman, California? This car largely retains its original factory condition. The asking price is $28,000. What really makes this Mustang stand out is that it's 99% original. You'll find its factory paint and interior, along with its original engine, transmission, air conditioning, and power steering. The odometer shows an authentic 89,532 miles, with no signs of it having been turned over. The body is straight as an arrow and entirely rust-free, with all lights working like a charm. It's always been garaged, which has helped keep it in such great shape over the years. While it sports an aftermarket radiator and non-original wheels, the original set of rims comes with the purchase. This isn't one of those Mustangs that's been through countless restorations. Its real value is in its untouched originality. To truly get a feel for its condition, an in-person inspection in Newman is highly recommended. The price is pretty firm, though a little wiggle room might be possible for a serious buyer in person. The owner is not interested in trades. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1967 Pontiac Le Mans SE Aero Coupe two-door. Hailing from Lake Havasu City, Arizona, this one is priced at $30,000. It's obvious a ton of work went into this. The car has been completely restored with everything in it new, literally from bumper to bumper. Under the hood of this Le Mans, you'll find a Poncho 400 engine paired with a 200R automatic transmission. It feels solid on the road and shifts smoothly. It has only 6,000 miles on it since the restoration, indicating a fresh build ready for new road trips. The body is painted classic white and the interior is a sharp black. This color combo gives the car a finished, stylish look. The seller is open to trades for classic trucks, cars, or even Japanese domestic market models. This is a prime opportunity for anyone looking for a turnkey car with minimal miles since restoration. Number 15. Whether you're a collector or a restoration enthusiast, here's a 1967 Chevrolet Corvette located in Feeding Hills, Massachusetts. Priced at $78,000, this car has 75,100 original miles and is equipped with its original numbers, matching 327 cubic inch, 300 horsepower engine, paired with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, you'll find power steering and vintage air conditioning. Completing the exterior look are bolt-on aluminum wheels wrapped in redline tires. The Corvette's body is laser straight and the frame is in pristine condition, never having been repaired. The car was restored and repainted black over 20 years ago. It was originally Marlboro Maroon, but the 900 AA paint code on the trim tag is for black. All systems, including the clock, are in working order. The chrome, interior, and glass are also in very good shape. This Corvette comes with a complete ownership history dating back to the 1970s, plus receipts for over $5,800 in work performed in 2014. Of course, it's worth noting there are minor age-related imperfections in the paint. This $78,000 offering is geared towards those looking for a reliable driver that's well-equipped, drives like a dream, and turns heads. Number 16. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, available for $159,750 in Roanoke, Texas. The odometer on this ride reads 2,564 miles. It's undergone a full rotisserie nut and bolt restoration, transforming it into a one-of-a-kind custom Restomod. Every component and system has been upgraded for top-notch looks and functionality. Under the hood sits a 500 cubic inch V8 stroker engine built on a Mopar 440 block. It's fitted with aluminum Indy heads and intake, a Holley 850 carburetor, and an MSD ignition system. Power gets to the pavement via a pass-on 5-speed manual transmission. Bringing it to a halt are Power Willwood disc brakes featuring a billet master cylinder and drilled rotors, activated by polished stainless steel hard brake lines. The car rides on Hotchkiss suspension and subframe connectors and a Mopar 8.75 rear end with 3.91 gears, while the exhaust exits through ceramic-coated TTI headers. The body shows off a show-quality yellow finish, achieved through meticulous panel alignment and fitment to better-than-factory tolerances. The door handles have been shaved, and the doors pop open with a pair of remote fobs. The ride rolls on polished 17-inch billet specialties wheels. Number 17. With its automatic transmission and potential for restoration, this is a 1948 Studebaker Land Cruiser. In Berthoud, Colorado, a 1948 Studebaker Land Cruiser is being offered for $5,000. Number 18. For the classic car enthusiast with a passion for history, check out a 1972 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, available in El Reno, Oklahoma. Listed for $9,000 with the seller open to offers, this model packs a beefy 472 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 112,000 miles, telling its story over the years. Looks-wise, the white exterior is a solid 7 out of 10, while the burgundy interior comes in at an 8 out of 10. It recently got a fresh set of brand new front tires, meaning it's ready to hit the road right away. Plus, inside, the air conditioning blows ice cold, making those long cruises comfortable. All in all, this Caddy is a solid pick for anyone hunting a big running American classic with all the details laid out and a seller who's on the ball. Number 19. Let's kick things off with a 1951 Chevrolet Styline Deluxe coming out of Wichita, Kansas. This two-door sedan is going for $9,500. Its odometer shows 123,456 miles. Under the hood is a 216 cubic inch motor paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The car has been successfully converted to a 12-volt electrical system, making it easier to live with. It also comes with a siren and rear air shocks. Number 20. Introducing a 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This example, offered for $9,500, shows a significant amount of work done. Its 351 cubic inch Cleveland 2-barrel engine was rebuilt and has less than 300 miles on it since the overhaul. Number 21. Take a step back in time with this Cadillac Sedan DeVille, a 50th series model offered in Thornton, Colorado for $10,000. The mileage is 86,392 miles. Under the hood sits a big 8-cylinder Cadillac engine displacing 8.2 liters or 500 cubic inches with an Edelbrock Performer RPM intake, manifold, and carburetor. This motor starts right up and runs strong, sending power through a smooth automatic transmission. The exterior is classic white with a dark blue vinyl top, and the interior features white bench seats in good shape. The original dashboard has a dash cover. Number 22. Up for sale is a 1975 Chevrolet Cosworth Vega, available in Loveland, Colorado for $10,000. This 1975 Chevrolet Cosworth Vega is a truly rare find. It's a well-preserved survivor that's been garaged for decades. The car is running and drivable with 73,000 miles on the clock. It comes with a stick shift, and its exterior and interior are finished in a matching black, accentuating its classic profile. The car's body is very solid overall, which is a big deal for a model of its age. This Cosworth Vega offers a straightforward, no-nonsense ride, letting you focus on the pure driving experience and the unique characteristics of its engine. If you're interested in a rare car that has held on to its functionality and character after nearly 50 years, this Cosworth Vega could be a great starting point. It's ready to hit the road again. Perhaps the next offering will appeal to those seeking a different style and era. Number 23. Take a step back in time with this 1975 Cadillac Sedan DeVille 50th Anniversary Edition, available for $10,000 in Thornton, Colorado. Under the hood of the Sedan DeVille, you'll find a big block Cadillac V8 with a displacement of 500 cubic inches, paired with a smooth automatic transmission, and the odometer shows 86,392 miles. Number 24. For sale is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS from Seneca, Kansas, priced at $10,000. The odometer reads 21,109 miles, but the actual mileage on the car is unknown. Under the hood is a V8 engine displacing 500 cubic inches, featuring Brodick cylinder heads and an MSD ignition. This engine is mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission, sending power to a 12-bolt rear end with a limited slip differential. The car's body is finished in black with contrasting white stripes and is complemented by 20-inch Riddler wheels. The chassis features a modified suspension, and stopping power comes from Willwood disc brakes. The interior boasts black vinyl upholstery. Air conditioning ensures comfort during rides, while a Pioneer multimedia system with Bluetooth is installed for entertainment. Number 25. This is your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. You're looking at a 1967 Oldsmobile 98, located in Ogden, Utah, for $6,000. This car has 76,851 miles on the clock and was inherited by the current owner. The red exterior is complemented by a burgundy interior, and an automatic transmission provides the power. Features include power windows, power seats, power steering, a tilt steering column, and air conditioning. The car fires right up and runs, has made short trips around the neighborhood, and the owner describes its road manners as drives like a big car should. Cosmetically, there's minimal rust, making it a solid project car, especially if you don't already have one. During future work, the next owner will need to address a small engine oil leak and a transmission fluid leak. The vinyl top also needs replacement, and there's some damage to the upholstery on the front of the driver's seat. Number 26. Meet the 1949 Ford sedan from Hampton, Massachusetts. This blue four-door sedan has 55,491 miles on the odometer and is ready for new adventures. The seller is asking $10,500 and is open to offers for 1 week before the car goes into winter storage. Under the hood, you'll find a 239 flathead V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with its shifter conveniently located on the steering column. The car is currently in full running order, which is backed up by a recent replacement of the entire fuel system, including a new tank, pump, and carburetor. The suspension has also received a significant upgrade, with new kingpins all around, lowered springs and leaf springs from Shoebox Central, dropping the rear by 4 inches and the front by 2 inches. Number 27. This 1967 Mustang convertible, offered in Westbrook, Connecticut for $9,995, is a classic 2-door car with a clear history. It is an original 6-cylinder example that still starts and runs with 56,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Its blue body is matched by a blue interior, and the white convertible top is held by an intact frame. The car is complete, with its original interior preserved, making it a solid foundation for anyone looking for an authentic restoration project that can be brought back to its iconic look. However, to be completely upfront, this Mustang also has its areas needing attention. There is rust present and new floors will be needed, as well as frame rails. Despite this, the body structure is in place, which simplifies the restoration work. This Mustang is more than just a car. It is a promise to bring a piece of American automotive history back to the roads, transforming it step by step into a source of owner pride. Number 28. Presenting a 1981 red C3 Corvette, located in East Falmouth, Massachusetts. This car is available for $9,800. Under the hood, it's an automatic, and it's one of those rare finds that has remained in original condition with no modifications aside from routine maintenance. Since new, this Corvette has only logged 9,320 miles. It's had just one prior owner who hardly drove it, keeping it garaged and covered. The current owner confirms the car has mostly sat idle and is now looking for a new owner to give it the attention it deserves. The red exterior complements the beige interior nicely and comes with an extra set of color-matched T-top panels. Number 29. Introducing a custom 1955 Mercury hot rod known as Maybelline, a direct homage to Chuck Berry's famous song. Located in Milton, Vermont, this vehicle is available for $9,950. With its vibrant pink exterior and pristine white interior, it's an immediate head-turner, creating a vivid and unforgettable look that's hard to ignore. Beneath Maybelline's striking exterior lies a Chevrolet V8 engine with an automatic transmission, ensuring it's in excellent running condition. just 1,842 miles on the odometer confirm this is a very well-maintained example. Number 30. Picture this: a 1,969 two-door Cadillac Eldorado coupe painted green, confidently cruising the roads of Victorville, California. This ride, priced at $9,500, has 81,999 miles on the odometer, and it's powered by an automatic transmission. The seller states that the car is still solid and ready to hit the road. It comes with original wheels and hubcaps, which adds to its authenticity. Inside, you'll find leather bucket seats, both front and rear, and under the hood, chrome valve covers are visible, hinting at attention to detail. Number 31. In Ridgecrest, California, for $9,000, here's a 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray T-Top. This blue body with a beige and white interior has kept its completely stock look with no modifications. The car spent more than a quarter century in a garage and only recently became roadworthy again. In recent weeks, this Stingray has received a fuel system cleaning, a new fuel pump, rebuilt front calipers, and had its main fluids and several hoses replaced. The engine has a fresh top-end overhaul, including valves and cylinder heads, with less than 1,000 miles on it since the work. Number 32. Up for sale is a 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, currently residing in St. James, New York, with a price tag of $5,800. This Monte Carlo SS, a two-door coupe, has 108,000 miles and is equipped with a 350 Chevy engine. Number 33. 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL convertible, $6,500, Rome, New York. Number 34. Here's a rare opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. In Norwell, Massachusetts, there's a 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 up for grabs for $7,455 with room to negotiate. This four-door sedan with 117,600 miles on the odometer and a clean title makes a solid foundation for a thorough restoration or immediate use. Under the hood is an inline six-cylinder engine displacing 200 cubic inches, producing 116 horsepower, routed through a single-barrel carburetor and an automatic transmission. The engine starts right up and idles smoothly. The powertrain has been regularly serviced, and the brakes, suspension, and tires recently passed inspection. The body is painted a pleasing metallic blue. The panels are solid with minimal signs of corrosion. The car is equipped with steel wheels and comes with two sets of hubcaps. Number 35. Meet the Chrysler Imperial Crown Coupe from 1965 from Troy, Michigan. For $8,000, this big American car with 97,000 miles on it offers a powerful 413 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The body and interior are finished in blue, creating a unified look characteristic of the era. The car starts right up and is in good running order, allowing you to immediately dive into the world of classic cruising. Of course, there are a few things to consider. Number 36. As the second owner of this clean title jewel, we're presenting a 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 from Freehold, New Jersey. This car, with just 71,938 miles on the odometer and a 4-speed manual transmission, is full of character for $8,000. A lot has already been updated here. Both carburetors were recently rebuilt, and a new gas tank and fuel sending unit have been installed. Add to that new tires, hoses, a battery, shocks, an oil pan, and gasket, valve cover gaskets, new seat belts, an electric fuel pump, emblems, both side mirrors, a rear view mirror, wiper blades, and a complete exhaust system with headers. The body is straight, and the correct 1963 rear grille highlights its originality. The interior is custom in a stylish black and gray scheme, and the sparkly purple metallic exterior often looks like a deep black. However, its age does come with a couple of quirks. There are defects and light bubbling in the paint, and the brake lights, turn signals, and tail lights are not working. There is a small oil leak and some oil consumption, and starting can sometimes be difficult due to the choke needing attention. The seller is open to all offers and trades, which opens the door for negotiation.